Time and tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense denotes an action in the present time or in habitual truth or eternal truth. Such as I read a book, we read books, you read a book, he reads a book, they read book. The sun rises in the east. তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। সবাই কিন্তু মনে করে সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিও। প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স. প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স ইজ ইউজড when an action is continued or going to be continued in near future. I am reading a book, we are reading books, you are reading a book, he is reading a book, they are reading books. I am going to Delhi. My uncle is arriving. Are you coming to the meeting? Present perfect tense. I have present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used when the work has been done but is effectless. I have done the work. We have done the work. You have done the work. They have done the work. They have just done the work. He has studied for hours. He has been here since from Monday. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which again at some times in the past and is still continuing. I have been doing this work for 2 days. We have been living here for 5 years. He has been reading in this school for 3 years. They have been doing this work for a week. He has been living here from his boyhood. Past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is used to denote an action complete in the past or a past habit. I did the work, we did the work, you did the work, he did the work, they did the work. He spent his boyhood in London. He began learning English since the age of 10. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used when the action was continued for some time in the past. I was playing football, we were playing football, you were playing football, he was playing football, they were playing football. What was she doing last evening? Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used in the formal action between the two completed actions of the past. Neither had gone out before Amit came home. The train had started before I reached the station. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. We had been playing before the train started. She had been reading a novel when I went to meet her. Future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense is used when an action will be done or will happen in future. Future indefinite tense. I shall go to school. We shall go to school. You will go to school. He will go to school. They will go to school. Future continuous tense. I shall be doing the work. We shall be doing the work. You will be doing the work. He will be doing the work. They will be doing the work. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. I shall have written Future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. I shall have written the letter by that time. I shall have done the work before my father came. My father comes. Now study the uses of tense. Simple present is used to express present actions or events or facts. I get up at 6 a.m. The train leaves at 7 p.m. Deepika looks very beautiful. Robin goes to school. I don't like tea, but I prefer coffee. To express a habitual action, I get up every day at 6 a.m. He takes milk every morning. To express general truth or eternal truth, the earth moves round the sun. Fortune favors the brave. In imperative sentences, draw a straight line, don't run the sun, stop writing and home over the answer scripts. He has just gone out, the clock has struck 10. I have cut my finger and it is bleeding now. I have never known him to be angry. Have you ever been to Delhi? Have you read Gulliver's Travels? I have known him for a long time. It is present perfect is used. He has just gone out. The clock has struck 10. Mr. Roy has been to Japan. I have never known him to be angry. Have you ever been to Delhi? Have you read Gulliver's Travels? I have known him for a long time. We have lived here for 10 years. We have not seen Padmini for several months. He has not finished his work yet. তো এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমরা সবাই দয়া করে লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।